Hi my friends, and welcome back to our Yokogawa CENTUM VP tutorial, and we continue our lessons and we build our water utility project. And as I said before in our previous lesson, one part of this lesson we will build our project, and another part we will continue learning the options and the configuration of our system. So my friends, let's now open our command and open the custom plant. And here, my friends, we will add user-defined production object of level 1 to 4, and for each object we will select the parent production object in upper equipment name column. So my friends, let's start with the first object. It will be water utility. Sorry. Okay. Sorry, equipment ID. Equipment name. Water utility. And here the command, let's use the name water site. And equipment format, we use the site because it's our main site of our plant, and it's not has the upper equipment name. So the next one is the equipment tag. Let's use one second, and second one is the water station. Water, let's write ST, and in command let's use the water station, and it will be our area and under the water utility part. Third one is the wastewater. And here let's write the waste water station. And it's also belong to our area part, and it's also will under the water utility part. And next one, my friends, is the water intake. Water intake, and let's use the water flow. And it's our cell part where we defined our functional blocks and our function, and it's will be under our water station. Let's use the water station here. Next one is the water treatment, and let's write water R, and here write water treatment. And it's also our cell, and it will belong to our water station, water step. And next one is the water pump, water IM, and like water pump. It's also a cell and belongs to our water station. Next one is the it's equipment of the treatment system. So we used it like we air, and here let's use the water treatment and it's also belong to cell, and it's belong to wastewater station and wastewater. So next one is our water pump. It's also water pump, but sorry, this one, my friends, it's a water station. Let's write it like STEM and water station, and it's our water pump where PM, and right here water pump. And it's also belong to cell, and it will under the wastewater. So next one is the water filtering. Water filter, and right here the water filter, and it's belong to unit because it's a part of our equipment, and it will belong to water treatment system and water TR. And next one is actually we must have the mechanical treatment system and biological treatment system. So let's write here the VV air, and here write the mechanical treatment, and it's also belong to unit, and it's belong to let me choose the treatment, belong to treatment equipment, so we use the VVTR. No, sorry, we use the VWTR, and here we also have the biological, so let's write it bio chart and bio, let's write it bio treatment, and it's also unit, and it's belong VVTR. So my friends, now let's save our project, but before let's give the ID of our equipment. 7, 9, 10, and 11. Save it. We have one running here. Sorry, I have the problems here. I think it's belong to unit. Let's save again. Now we have no warnings and errors. So let's close this one, and my friend, let's quickly check our configuration and options. So my friends, let's continue and quickly review our first. We need to use the operations, his constants, and let's open our his constants here and open config, and firstly we have the printer tab here. And my friends, here we have the define which message are automatically printed on which printer. You indicate your printer here and you indicate your message. You can change it from here. And we will work with this feature when we learned about the make report. We will do it after we completely finished our project. So next tab is the open interface, and it's allow alarm and event message to be set to external application or the printer based on the user security groups. So example, the maintenance engineer receive a maintenance alarm while operation receive process alarm. It's a different alarms and you can configure it. The next one is a closing process. Process recorded the trend data and creates the statistical reports. Instead of storing every sample, it's calculate the hourly average, daily average, monthly average, and total value, and maximum and minimum value. For example, we can use the temperature every seconds, or after 1 hour the system store average about for example the 25 and 0.4. And the next one, my friends, is the long-term data save. It stores the historical process data for months or years and include the trend history, alarm history, comms history, and process data. And my friends, here we have some additional tabs. So to showing on our panels, let's check this. And here we have the print wait time. It's mean how many times the system wait before start the printing. Without print wait time, the printer waits until one full page is filled. And with and you can add the additional time. After that you can go to print. Next one, my friends, is the instrument diagram operation, and this settings is defined how operators interact with the instrument or HMI. And my friends, here the two operation methods. First a double click. Let me check from here. Okay. And what does it mean? First click is select the instrument. The second click is the execute the operation. For example, you have a valve, and first you click, you select the valve. The second click is open the valve. And next one is it's mean when you choose here 1 or 2. And next one is the two-step operation. The two-step click select the object, and when you select the object, the confirmation windows appear, and operator must confirm before the command is sent. For example, you click the pump start, and confirmation is appear with the question sign, and you use it for run your pumps. And here, my friends, also we have the change board mode user interface, and we will face with it in our practical lessons. Define how block operating mode are changed. Mode include the out, manual mode, and cascade mode. you will remember it from our lessons where we changed from manual and auto mode. So, my friends, that's all for today. You must learn deeply about these features because I'm also not used these features in my work, except the printer, and sometimes we use the long-term data save if we have the small. We have no place in our hard drive for stored data. And I wish you good health and good luck. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you enjoy the video. See you in the next lesson.